everybody, MrPuttyhead here. Just wanted to do a quick review of the Kelty Camp Galley. This is a camp kitchen organizer that we use. It's become a very pivotal part of our camping system. It hangs right from our 270 awning, make it super convenient for cooking and stuff. Show you how much this actually holds. We've got scissors, we've got a Mora knife. In there is a full-size can opener, a lighter, and somewhere down in there is a wine bottle opener. This next one has a full-size knife set, some tongs, spatula and wooden spoon. This one has all of our utensils. It's got a room for plastic plates back there. This is our collapsible measuring cup set, spaghetti strainer, paper plates. This is all of our spices. We got a whole bunch of spices in here too. There's like 4 bottles of spices down in there. And if you're smart enough to bring paper towels, which I forgot on this trip, this is where the paper towels go. It hangs right there, right above our little prep area for the food, so it's super convenient. It's been a great addition to our camp kitchen. So, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. If you're interested in this or any of our other camp gear that we use, the entire list of our camp gear is in the description field. But this has been MrPuttyhead. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.